Good morning children. Today's social class child safety. First one inform. INFORM form. Inform. Inform. National. NATIONAL national. Labor. LABOUR labor. Rehabilitate. 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 Identify. 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 Withdrawn. WITH. With. DRAWN. Drawn. Withdrawn. Dangerous. 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 Occupation. 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 Special. 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 School. 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 Support. 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 Important. 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 Teach. 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 AWARE. Aware. Happen. 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 Once again children. Inform. National. Labor. Rehabilitate. Identify. Withdrawn. Dangerous. Occupation. Special. School. Support. Important. Teach. Aware. Happen. Okay children, today 5 words I given more than 10. Okay, 5 only extra. You read the D words, memorize, then you should write in your social note. Children, Unit 3 Child Safety. Already we have learnt 4 pages. Yes or no? Last class we have learnt. See here, father is reading the newspaper while the son and daughter peeps into the paper and finds an advertisement of Childline 1098. Son, Dad, what does the Childline number means? Father, Childline number is a helpline number for children under the age of 18. Daughter, oh, do they help children in doing their homework? Father, haha, no dear, it helps children who are in need of help and care. Son, I didn't know about this. Father, Childline service was first established as a project in the year 1996. Later, between 1998 to 99, Childline was established all across India under the Ministry of Women and Child Development. Son, it has been there for a very long time then. Yes, in May 2013, Childline in Ahmedabad rescued around 16 children who were working in various parts of the city. Child labor is an offense in India. Daughter, who is it? Father, Childline helps children who are work as laborers or abandoned by their parents or differently abled or live in streets. Son, how do they exactly know where and how children need help? Integrated Child Development Services, ICDS means Integrated Child Development Services, is a centrally sponsored scheme of Government of India for early childhood care and development. This activity already we have seen. Yes or no? What is the safest way of traveling? This is the safest. Why means they are wearing the seat belt. Here they are not wearing the seat belt. Here also this boy is wearing the life jackets. These persons are not wearing the. These are not wearing the life jackets. Here also these members not wearing the helmet, but these 2 members wearing the helmet. Today's reading pages 140 and 41. See here children. For the child line number is 1098. What is the number of child line? Child line number 1098. One can call on this number and ask for help or inform if they find children who need help. Any the children are any dangerous, otherwise they are working in that dangerous place, they make a call to 1098. That child line members come and they rescue you. Okay children, the National Child Labour Projects, NCLPS. What is the abbreviation of NCLPS? National Child Labour Projects have been set up to rehabilitate child labor. Okay, they are given the good life to the children. Okay, who are all working in that child labors in very dangerous places. This project members, they go and they rescue the children and they given the rehabilitate means they are given the good life to the children. The children identified by the NCLP are to be withdrawn from the dangerous occupations and put into special schools. Yes or no children? They are given the good life to the children. Son, who I understand now. A child safety is very important. Yes, child safety is very, very important. Father, well said. Son, there are many laws to protect children. There are many laws to protect children. Daughter, what are they? Father, we have helplines and laws to support and protect children. But it is very important to teach children of how to be safe and aware of what's happening around them. See here children, in our school we are teaching good touch, bad touch. Yes or no? These are very important for the children. Why? Means that parents, except parents, they are touching means that is good touch or bad touch. Immediately the children they understand and they remove that place. Yes or no? Yes, it's very important. Next activity, let us write which is safe touch and unsafe touch. See here, mother protect her child. This is safe touch. See here, fight like one man, catch her hand. This is unsafe touch. You should not allow any out persons you. Okay children, you should not straightly you inform them, should not touch me, otherwise you remove that place. Okay children, thank you. Read these 2 pages and record and send to concerned class teacher. Thank you.